section.
कोई भी
Hello everyone, thanks for joining. I'm glad everyone has joined and we are waiting for more people. Welcome to the webinar of IB Solar and SOFAR Solar. This webinar is mostly based on little bit introduction of IB Solar, but mostly based on SOFAR Solar, its latest technologies and its unique offerings. We have been joined by our director, Mr. Abhinav Mahajan, and also we have been joined by Mr. Brijesh Prajapati, which is who is the MD of SOFAR Solar India, and also his technical team, Mr. Hardik, and 2-3 members more. Now I'm going to let Mr. Abhinav speak for some time.
Thanks, Viral. And I welcome all the participants on this first of our series of our webinar. We have, thank you for your patience and thank you for taking out your valuable time that you have taken out time to attend this webinar of ours. And I assure you there are a lot of many webinars in the future to come in. I would like to give a brief introduction about IB Solar. Our company is 28 years old company in power sector. In year 2014, with a mission to make solar energy more affordable and with our commitment to make India go green, to improve millions of lives with clean and green energy solutions, we started manufacturing of solar PV modules, solar batteries, and solar electronics from a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility based in Noida by the brand name very popularly known as IB Solar. IB Solar mission is to be one of the leading manufacturer of solar products and to make the brand of IB Solar synonymous with the most reliable source of solar energy provider for all applications for a number of years. Last 27 or 28 years of our existence, we have always worked hard, strived to offer best of the products with top priorities to our customers. I would say this has been, and probably this is the main reason of our existence, of our survival for so many years, that we understand the customer's depth. We know what customers want. So now this year we have tied up with SOFAR Solar. I'm really thankful to them, to SOFAR Solar team for appointing us as our importer and distributor for Pan India. And this has been our endeavor only to offer best of the best products. SOFAR is a very popular brand, as you are all aware of. So is basically focused on enhancing making our industry aware what SOFAR has come up with, what IB Solar and SOFAR, the marriage between the two, I would say the marriage between the two will come out with unique solutions and latest technologies for our customers, and we look forward to continue serving you with best of our efforts. Thank you. Now I will hand over to Mr. Aviral to take you to the presentations and the SOFAR team for continuing with the presentations. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abhinav. Thanks a lot for your kind words. I would like to start with our presentation, and then I will ask, after my presentation, I will ask Mr. Brijesh to come and introduce about his company a little bit. So yeah, welcome to the webinar on SOFAR Solar, latest technologies and unique offerings. I hope you're all able to see my screen. So our company name is Integrated Battery India Private Limited, and my name is Aviral Mahajan, as you all know. The company was started by my Mr. S.K. Mahajan, who is my father, and he was passed out in 1976 from prestigious engineering college, and then he has worked with companies like Tata, DLF, Usha, and other reputed companies at key middle management positions. With the purpose of serving his customers in power industry, he founded this company in 1992. Uh, Presently, integrated batteries under his strong leadership is the national importation distribution of Panasonic batteries. And also in 2013, we started the venture of solar under the brand name of IB Solar. And since that, we have not looked back. Uh, we have grown many folds. And also, he is an active member of ASSOCHAM Management Committee. We are also members of PhD Chambers of Commerce and other management committees. Just heard from Mr. Abhinav Mahajan. Mr. Abhinav Mahajan joined Integrated Batteries in 2008. He has pursued his MBA from Australia and has worked with companies like DNB, Roy Morgan. Under his leadership, under his active, leadership skills, the company has grown a lot. He has taken our companies to international levels. He has export. We have started exporting to many countries like Nigeria, Zambia, and African countries, Middle East, all under his guidance and leadership. The marketing, promotion, all the business development is taken care by him. And I joined this company in 2014 after pursuing my MS from New York. I have worked before in HCL, Birlasoft, and IEEE, and basically I just joined and gave a little bit of technical know-how and what I knew and what I understood to this company. So as we were stating, our company was formed in 1992. In 2003, we became a private limited company. In 2005, we became the national importer and distributor of Panasonic. 14, we started manufacturing of LED lights and solar BOS. 15, we set up with a small 10 megawatt capacity. In 2017, we started batteries. 2018, we upgraded to 90 megawatt. In September 2018, we launched the solar to mains converter, which awarded to us. Awards were given because of this solar to mains converter by UN and many other agencies recognized us just because of this innovative product. In March 2020, we had a strategic tie-up with So Far Solar Inverter, and that's why we are all here. So IB Solar is one of the growing brands in solar industry. We enjoy a very good reputation in the market. A brand has very good penetration in many states like UP, North India. Brand is also approved in many state nodal agencies like UPNEDA, HAREDA, UREDA, JICADA. We are also into EPC, so we have also installed more than 200 megawatts of plants last year only. And we were channel partners before the scheme was discontinued. So these are mostly our products and services. We are into panels, batteries, street lights, and EPC. And our latest addition is that we are channel partners so far range of on-grid and hybrid range of inverters in India. These are some of our certifications. We have SEMERA credit ratings. We are ISO 9001, ISO 14001. All our panels are IC certified. All our batteries are MNRE certified. So whatever we make or whatever we sell, we always look into the fact that yes, this has the highest qualification, highest. The quality is not of no issues. We always take care of the quality aspect of what we are selling or what we are buying, because as you know, before we made our own brand panels, we used to sell Panasonic batteries. So Panasonic, as everyone knows, is a very huge brand name. Similarly, now we have tied up with So Far Solar, which is also a good brand name. So our main company aim from 1992, my father's aim has always been quality, quality, and quality. So these are some of the awards just because we are a very good quality conscious company. My director, Mr. S.K. Mahajan, was being honored with Udyog Ratan Award. Then also he has been awarded with the Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award. And also Infosys gave us a very Sambandh Award just because we were a valuable partner to them. The similarly Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, and also awards given by YMCA and other prestigious institutions. In 2019, Mr. S.K. Mahajan, the director of IB Solar, was recognized amongst the 51 most influential solar leaders in global listing, which was a very huge and prestigious moment for our company. We have always tried to work positively in solar industries despite being many shortcomings, and such awards and such recognitions always give a long way in promoting our a boost and morale. These are our government clienteles. As you know, we work with many different state nodal agencies. We work with UPNEDA, PEDA, REDA, TEDA, RRCL, JRDA. We also work with Indian Oil, Indian Army is also a customer as a clientele. So we make solar modules, as everyone knows. We have a capacity of 90 megawatt based in Noida. So these are some of the machines used in manufacturing of solar modules. We have tapper stringers from Italy. We have laminators from Germany. EL tester is from Germany. So we have many machines from various countries. And then these are solar tubular batteries range. We have basically, as you know, company name is Integrated Batteries. So our know-how has always been batteries, has always been power industry. So we always wanted to give the customers everything from one-stop shop solution. When we introduced panel, we saw that there's a huge demand for good quality and batteries from in the market, and then we wanted to cater to those customers who are looking for good quality products. And so we have a solar batteries range starting from 40 Ah to 200 Ah, and we have received phenomenal response from the batteries from the market. Then we are also into EPCs. As I saw last year, installation base was more than 2 megawatt up to 3 megawatt. We do everything from site survey to OM, O&M, and before we had faced these problems that many customers had a little bit problems in EPCs, and we thought why not we should do it. So we have started with EPC, and we have done a good amount of it, and we're getting good amount of generation data. And many customers have also told us that our generation data is much more than in comparison to other models or other panels. So these are some of our installations. We installed 150 kilowatt in an IT company in Noida. 50 kilowatt was installed in Punjab. 300 kilowatt is installed in a industrial shed in for packaging company in Sonipat. Then 150 kilowatt was installed in a school. 300 kilowatt was installed in an Indian MNC based in Gurgaon. It's like a huge company. And these are some of our achievements. As I told you, we got the Innovation Summit Award from the UN for the innovative product, which was our DC to AC converter. This product was recognized everywhere, and we were given the accolades because this was an innovative, hugely innovative product. It's designed by our team, our in-house team in 2018, and since last 2 years, we have got a good amount of response. Similarly, in telecom, we are a huge brand name in telecom sector. So it was very overwhelming to see that IB Solar's product was prominently displayed by leading telecom companies to exhibit the solar-baked telecom products in Indian Mobile Congress held in Aerocity. So this is for IB Solar. Now I would hand over the presentation to Mr. Brijesh and Mr. Hardik. Mr. Brijesh is Sofar Solar MD India, and then he can introduce about his company, and then obviously Mr. Hardik can take it over. Mr. Brijesh?
Yeah, hi.
Hi,
Hello. Thank you so much, Mr. Abhinav Aviral and respected Mr. S.K. Mahajan. And I hope all you are safe and healthy due to COVID situation. So now will not take much time, and I'll continue very rapidly. Abhinav, next slide, please. Yeah. Basically, Sofar Solar is a manufacturing inverter, and we have on manufacturing setup in a Shenzhen in China. And actually solar started from the sofa trading sector, then sofa trading sector, sofa communication, sofa property, sofa hotel, and sofa EV charger, and sofa solar inverter. So for the software communication, we are very pioneer in China in GPS sector, because we have something special, specialty unique feature for the GPS sectors. And for the software property, Oyo type hotels, so not too much we have, but very few hotels in hospitality sector. And also we have EV charger and software solar inverter. Software solar inverter we have started from the 2012. And in India market, we have started from the 2016, mid of 2016. Next, Mr. Viro. Yeah, our headquarters in Shenzhen, China. Our international marketing team are sitting in Wuxi, nearby Shanghai. We have two factory, Dongguan, is nearby Shenzhen, and Xinyang is also nearby Shenzhen. So we have more than 10 branches in China, more than 400 employees in a software solar inverter group, more than nearby 100 R&D engineers. So those R&D engineers was qualified from the very topmost university from the in China, and those who are experienced guys, and also some engineers from the very reputed ex inverter company. So we are billing in mainly in quality. Chill your data, already we have supplied 5 gigawatt, and 10 gigawatt is our yearly manufacturing capacity, and it's completely automatic line. We have global presence in China, UK, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, India, Australia, Middle East, and South America. South America, especially in Brazil, we are doing quite good business in Brazil. And for the especially for the Italy and Poland, mainly for the hybrid inverters and storage inverters. So we are doing on very premium position for the Italy and Poland. And of course in India, we are doing quite good business, or as a leading inverter company in India. Our headquarters in Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore, we have service engineers. As of now, they are residential engineer. In Ahmedabad, we have 4 service engineers. 1 engineer in Delhi, 1 engineer in Bangalore, and also recruitment going on. So within 1 to 2 months, we will increase our team. And also from the next month, we will come with a service online platform. In this factory, you can see from the right side, first is our R&D center. In the middle and last one is production facility in Shenzhen, and R&D center in Bhawan. Next. This is our software solar inverter completely range. We have from 1.1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt inverter in single phase. So we have very flexible range, especially we can see rooftop segments 2.2, 3.3, 4.4. So very flexible range, especially for the rooftop application, and also from the 4.4 kilowatt to 12 kilowatt, and 10 to 12, 15 another series from 20, 25, 30, 33 kilowatt, 50, 60, 70 kilowatt. So we have very flexible range for as per the application, commercial application, some government project, and also in single phase we have single MPPT and dual MPPT range. We have AC retrofitting systems, hybrid inverters, which is in a now we can say is a very boom market in the future, hybrid inverters. So we have single phase hybrid inverters from 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt, and next month we will come with a 10, 15, and 20 kilowatt in a 3-phase systems. Also we have storage battery, and also we are coming in a couple of months with 80 to 136 kilowatt systems with 100 watt systems, 80, 100, 125, and 136. And nearby September to October, we will come with a 1500 watt, 1500 watt DC and 225 kilowatt range. So right now, also just we are taking the booking for the 80 to 136 kilowatt systems. Next. Now our technical representative, Mr. Hardik, so like he will continue on the technical portion.
Thank you so much, sir. Brijesh, my voice is clear?
Yes, now it's okay, fine, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, thanks to Brijesh sir and IB Solar team for arranging this webinar in cooperation with the Super Solar team. So, in the further slides, I will cover the different points like product range that we have, also the upcoming new products and roadmap of Super Solar for the Indian market, as well as quality of the products, process which we follow as per the international standard, service support, and the last is the reference of installation in India and globally. So let's start with the products and technology. So in this slide, there is a G3 inverter. As Brijesh mentioned, there is a product range ranging from 1 kilowatt to 70 kilowatt. We have a range of single phase 1 to 6 kilowatt, and in the three phase there is a 4.4 kilowatt to 70 kilowatt. So in this G3 inverter, which is a very new inverter and third generation inverter, so it will meet the demand of the market and give the customer a better experience. This model is ultra model residential solar inverter, which is only 5.5 kg weighted, that can reduce the installation time and improve the efficiency. G3 inverter have a certain advantages like 1.4% of DC overloading capacity, 1.5 IP65 protection, maximum efficiency up to 97.7%, built-in zero export function, support RS485, Wi-Fi, GPRS for smart monitoring. Also, software update can easily perform by the USB slot. So these are the main features of the G3 inverter. So this is very new inverter and third generation inverter, which is launched last REI to 2019. Next. Solar inverters have some intelligent power management functions like adjustable of reactive power and power factor for different grades. Having LVRT function means for short time period, if voltage have a dip, means voltage is suddenly decrease, then inverter can withstand with this, means it will not give you the tripping alarm. Then power derating when the unit has a over frequency, real-time MPPT, and over temperature derating. So these are the 5 main intelligent functions that the inverter have. Another is a inverter having a 6 type of inbuilt protections like over voltage protection, under voltage protection, over frequency, under frequency protection, over current and over load protection, over temperature protection, and ground fault indication protection. So these all are the protection need in the inverter to operate in the different grid condition, load condition, and temperature conditions. Also, inverter have a humanized function that we can easily observe in the inverters like audible and visible alarms function during the ground fault occurred, remote monitoring and firmware upgrade, separate design for upper and lower casing of the housing of the inverter in 20 kilowatt to 70 kilowatt inverters. Next. Remote monitoring system is a very essential nowadays. Solar provides a different method to monitor the solar system by Wi-Fi, GPRS, RS485 communication methods, which will help the customer to choose the most efficient and convenient way to monitor their solar system. For monitoring, we are using the SolarMint platform. It is available in the mobile application as well as web browser platform. Here I am showing the 2 different methods of remote monitoring system. One is the rooftop system in which Wi-Fi dongle is connected with the local router, and then by registration in the SolarMint platform, user can easily monitor the data. Second is commercial remote monitoring system in which number of inverters connected in the series by RS485 communication. So by this Modbus communication, data logger can generate the data and send over cloud. So user can easily monitor the data on mobile or web browser very easily. Next. Now, as I mentioned, these all inverters ranging from 1 kilowatt to 70 kilowatt, whether it is in the single phase or 3 phase, all inverters having the zero export function. Now, here in this slide, what is the zero export function is to be explained. In some of the parts of India, When net metering is not available, then it's lead to loss of the power generated by the inverter. So solution to this problem is zero export device, which enables solar system to limit amount of solar power which will export to the grid. It also called the export cutoff device. Zero export device acknowledge your inverter to change the solar generation as per the change in the load. To measure the load, we have to connect the CT before the net meter to measure the load. Next slide, please. So this is the image which give you the briefing of the zero export device, how you can connect the zero export device with the inverter. So to measure the load, we have to connect the CT before the net meter to measure the load. This CT is connected via cables with your inverter for feedback. Previous, Aviralji. Previous, Aviralji. Okay. Based on this feedback of CT device, inverter changing maximum power point of your inverter to regulate the generation. In this diagram, you can see the connection of CT and it's connected via the cable to the inverter for giving the feedback of load current that is continuously regulating, right? So it gives the feedback to the inverter. So CT will sense that load current which is continuously regulate and it will give feedback to the inverter. So when the consumption of the from the grid is higher than the set point in the inverter, then inverter will increase the generation. And if the consumption from grid is lower than the set point, then the inverter will decrease the generation. Mainly the generation of the inverter is regulated by changing the MPPT power. So regulation of the power generation is regulated by the MPPT technology by the inverter. So that is inbuilt. It's called the zero export function. Based on your load regulation, it will regulate the generation of the power from PV. Next. As I mentioned, we are using the SolarMan application for the data monitoring. So SolarMan Portals is a web-based platform for PV monitoring, enabling analysis and presentation of PV system. Certain advantage of SolarMan like visualize real the data and historical data for analysis and easy understanding, automotive alarms as customized by the user, data and event reports sent via email and regulatory. Means whenever any fault is occurred, you get the mail notification directly on your registered mail ID in the SolarMan application. Easily you can check the daily total generation graphs of voltage, current, power very easily in this application. So it is very useful application. Also this application is available in the Google Play Store as well as web browser is also there. So this is the main advantage of the SolarMan application. Next. So now we will see the roadmap and upcoming products of Sofar Solar. Next. Okay. Day by day, technology is continuously changing over the time frame. So we have to upgrade the technology to compete in the market. So Sofar Solar is continuously changing its technology to compete in the market. Roadmap of any company maps out its vision and directive goals to achieve the upgradation. In last year, we launched G3 inverter and hybrid inverter in the single phase, especially the G3 inverter, especially for the rooftop application as per demand of the market. In this 2020, we have new arrival of three-phase inverters of 80 kilowatt, 136 kilowatt, and 225 kilowatt. 80 and 136 kilowatt have 1100 max DC voltage, and 225 kilowatt have a 1500 volt maximum DC voltage. In nearby times, we are also planning to launch three-phase hybrid inverters, which are ranging from 8 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt, and 20 kilowatts. So these are the new and upcoming products that we are planning to launch in the Indian market. Next. So this is the data sheet of the 80 to 136 kilowatt inverter. It is a best solution for the commercial projects. Some of the features of these models are Type 2 SPD for both AC and DC side in the inverter. temperature and humidity detection is there, 10 MPPT trackers with the 40% overload capacity, with 50-degree temperature derating on the full load. So these are the advantages and features of this 80 to 136 kilowatt inverter. This is the second generation software platform, 24-hour monitoring and maintenance, IP66 protection. These inverters are very much compatible for the commercial utility projects. It will available around September or October month in the Indian market. Next. So this is the hybrid inverter data sheet. In the single phase range, we have a 3 to 6 kilowatt inverters. So you can see the data sheet in which there is a maximum 600 DC voltage capacity for the hybrid inverters. Also, it has a 2 MPPT connection at the DC side. There is a main thing is there, it's compatible with the different kind of batteries like lead acid batteries, lithium ion batteries, pylethon batteries. So it is compatible with all different kind of batteries. The main is the depth of discharge for lithium ion batteries 90%, and for lead acid battery it's 0 to 50% adjustable. I will explain you what is the depth of discharge for the hybrid inverters and in the terms of the battery. DOD means depth of discharge, or how much energy that battery is delivered. For example, if the battery is 100% charged, it means it has a 0% DOD. If the battery is 70% charged, it means 30% DOD. And if the battery is 100% empty, it means 100% DOD. It means it will deliver the 100% energy to the load to drive the load, right? So this is the hybrid inverters ranging from 3 to 6 kilowatt. We have a standard warranty for the hybrid is 5 years, and we will launch 3-phase inverter in a short time. So this is the data sheet of the hybrid inverter. Next. Now, what is the hybrid inverter? Hybrid inverter is a combination of on-grid and off-grid inverters. Means on-grid and off-grid. It is a combination of both. It will use the power from PV to charge the battery and discharge the battery to driven your home load when the PV voltage is not available. In case of blackout, means whenever there is a power failure or grid is not available, at that time it will use store battery power. Means जो बैटरी में पावर स्टोरेज होगा, based on that it will run your critical load. Critical load means your refrigerator, your fans, your emergency kind of needful appliances. It's called the critical load. You can connect less than 3 kVA critical load with these hybrid inverters. So you can connect any tubular, lead acid, lithium ion, pylethon batteries with the inverters. Nominal battery voltage is 48 volt and its capacity is 50 to 200 Ah. It's compatible with the battery management system, so you can connect the battery CT connection, RS485 connection for the lead acid batteries. Means all these functions having inbuilt with the hybrid inverters. It means battery management system is inbuilt in the hybrid inverters. So this is what about the hybrid inverters, right? Next. This is just one graph of the hybrid inverter, how it is actually working. On the left side, you can see there is a connection of the solar power or the means panel. Also, you can connect the batteries for the backup. And in the right side, you can also connect the CT to check the, it means you can just control the export and import through the CT, and it is connected to your inverter. Also, this is available on the SolarMan application for the data monitoring. So you can easily check your data, currently your battery voltage, power generation, how much it is exported, imported, all you can easily see on the monitoring. So it is easily compatible with the SolarMan application on a mobile application as well as a web browser. Next. So there are certain advantages of the hybrid inverters. It will save your money on your heavy electricity bills by increasing the proportion of the cell consumption electricity. Also, hybrid solar inverter enables you to advance energy management. You can easily control your import and export through the hybrid inverters. There is a different kind of operation parameters in the hybrid inverters that you can easily control, and you can easily operate in the different mode conditions in the hybrid inverters. So your spare energy is forbid to feed into the grid. It allows you to store excess solar or low cost electricity during the peak time and during the off peak time. Hybrid inverter is also compatible with the Ethernet, GPRS or Wi-Fi dongles. Also, remote data monitoring is easily available for the hybrid inverters. So these are the hybrid inverter advantages. Next. These are the new launched hybrid batteries, which are ranging from 2.4 kilowatt hours to 3 kilowatt hours in the 48 voltage category. It means it is a 48 volt GTX 2000 and GTX 3000. And in the 51.2 voltage category, there is a GTX 2500 and GTX 5000, right? So far solar storage system is available worldwide in the AC and DC coupled version. Its features are like inherent with modular design concept combined with the easy installation. It is very ultra thin wall mounting design. Change it once and use it a lot. You can easily scale the batteries. For example, here I give the example for the scaling of the batteries. If you take the 51.2 voltage and 5 kilowatt hour batteries and connect the 5 number of batteries together in the series, so whenever you connect the batteries in the series, your voltage is scale up, right? Your voltage is increase. So total voltage is becomes 256 volt. Your 5 kilowatt hour is still same because you are connecting your batteries in the series. Now, if we consider the 5 batteries of same ratings is connected in the parallel. Whenever you connect in the parallel, then your voltage is same. Your voltage is same, but your kilowatt hour is increasing. So your voltage is 51.2 volt, but your kilowatt hour is increasing. So this is the difference of connection or scaling up the batteries in series or parallel. This is the information about all information about the hybrid batteries. Solar Solar is a manufacturing of lithium-ion batteries, so you can use it with the hybrid inverters. If you want to buy local available batteries, connect with the hybrid inverters, then you have to submit your technical data sheet of that connected batteries for setting down certain parameters in the inverter. So you have to submit your technical data sheet to the SOFA team, technical team, to make compatible your local battery with the hybrid inverters, right? If and also we will plans to launch our this new generation of batteries in Indian market in around June or July month. So this is all about the hybrid batteries, which is compatible for the hybrid inverters. Next. Now in the next slide, we are seeing the product quality. The quality of any product is critical to satisfy your customers and retaining their loyalty, so they continues to buy from you in the future. To maintain the quality, we follow the certain testing standard and policy. Product passes through different phase of testing and quality check to maintain the long-term revenue and profitability. As you see in the chart, every components of the inverter to the IQC test. IQC means incoming QC. Then after it is passed through the soldering machine, which is very automated machine, which will place all these components in the PCB. Then after it will pass for the testing purpose, which is at the very low DC voltage, which will function. It's also called the functional test, right? If it is passes through the functional trace, then it will passes ahead in the assemble section, where all these components, all the PCBs, all the different cards are assembled in the one housing of the inverter, right? And after that, it will check the IP65 test and high potential test. When single product is testing okay from all these parameters, then it will passing for the test, and then we will perform 2 times 100% aging test, in which product is tested at the 40 degree for 4 hours and 6 hours at 60 degree temperature. So after all these products test, it will go for the packing and finishing products. So this is the whole chain cycle of the product passing through the different phases of the quality purpose as well as the testing purpose. Next. These are the some reference images of the testing facility at the ground level available in the production factories in the China. You can see there is a surface mount technology for the PCB wave soldering, right? There is a automatic optical isolation machine for checking your PCB with the dry solder is available, is there or not. So all these small thing is checking in the optical isolation or optical visualization. Also, there is a high potential test on the housing plates for checking the insulation resistance, PCB coating automated machine to provide the protection against the humidity to the PCB. Like during the rain season, there is a humidity is also a very effective parameter to create the malfunctioning of the inverter. So based on that, we are providing the coating on the each PCB to prevent from the moisture. Next. These are the protection test performance images. There is an assembly chain for the fitting each part, safety parameters testing kits, aging test instruments for the burn-in test, final inspection of second time 100% or test, different kind of 100% 2 times test. There is a different types of instrument are using for the different kind of test. Also, there is a airtight IP65 test machine and final packing images for your references. Next. Another major quality of product is defined by the components used for the product. We are using the global branded components for the inverters like IGBT from the Infineon or Fairchild company, ICs from the ON Semiconductor or Texas Instrument. Fuses will be used for the Little Fuse or Buzzman. Capacitors used from Nichicon or Yaskawa. Microcontroller unit, especially for the ARM processor, are used from the Renesas company. So all these world leader brands, electronic brands, components merged in our product. Next. Now the main topic is the customer service is very much important to your business because it retains the customer and it will give you the more value from them. We are providing the pre-sales, on-sales and after-sales support. It means we will help you in technical consulting for the new projects, product training. We are providing the training of your product whenever you purchase our inverters, right? All our authorized dealers, we are providing the training support. So based on that, you can easily identify the function, different functions of the inverter as well as how the inverter is operating, which parameter has to be set during the initial startup or turn on the inverter, during the turn of the inverter. So these are the product training we are also provide. We will also provide you the system design optimization, right? Warranty extension support based on your orders quantity. Also, we are providing the on-site service and replacement confirmation facilities. Next. So this is the one graph, one chart, which defines our service support system. Whenever any fault is arise, first we will provide you on-call support. Majorly all initial problems, which are very small in the case, are sorted out on the call support. If problem is not solved, then we will ask you for the inverter data and inverter technical data, voltage, current or SD card data. So all this data we are asked for troubleshooting or very ease out to solution to solve the problem of the inverters. Or if there is any part is damaged at the initial side of the site, then we then first dealer have to send their engineer to visit the site and then report to us whenever any fault is occurred. Sir, previous slide. I'm just explaining the chart of the service support. Means whenever any fault is occurred on the side, you have to provide the data of the inverters. So it will helpful to us to trace out what is the exact fault, whether it is the inverter side fault or whether it is on the installation side fault. So if the fault is repairable, then we will ask you or request you to send the faulty inverter at our testing or repairing center, and if we can easily repair it, then we will send you back within 48 hours. And if the problem or fault is very much major, then we will provide you the replacement based on your data and all the mail confirmation. So we are planning to make, as Bridges sir said, we are planning to make one online software and online service support to trace out and to make you very prompt service for the online confirmation of replacement of inverters. So this is our future plan for the better service support. Next. Now there is a reference images of Sofar Solar installations. Sofar Solar have 5 gigawatt installation across the globe, considering the Sofar installation as well as global OEM clients. Now, this is the image of Sky project in the Gujarat, enabling the farmers to generate the electricity for their captive consumption, as well as the sell the surplus power to the grid and earn the extra bucks. Sofar Solar is currently installing more than 28 megawatt. I repeat, it's 28 megawatt in the Sky projects only in the Gujarat. Mostly in this project, so far 4.4 to 70 kilowatt inverters are being used in the Sky project. Sky project named as Surya Kisan Yojana project by the Gujarat government. And here most of all the inverters are communicate through the RS-485 communication. So this is the very big achievement by the Sofar Solar. Next. This is our 1.4 megawatt Pashupati cotton spin industry. It is placed in the cotton industry. Here we are using the 20 kilowatt, 33 kilowatt and 50 to 70 kilowatt inverters. Solar panels are installed on the roof at the different angles. This tilted angle is totally different, right? So, and different tilted angle solar panels are connected with the different MPPTs, MPPT 1, 2, 3 of the inverters. So all these condition of the tilted installation, inverters giving the very good generation and satisfy the industry or commercial needful thing for the saving of electricity bills. Next. This is the Southern Railway initiative to go green and save the electricity cost by producing the 4 megawatt of solar power. Rooftop solar plants will be installed at the Palakkad and Thiruvananthapuram railway division. Sofar Solar has been committed and to cooperate social responsibility ever since its foundation. So far, 10 kilowatt and 11 kilowatt inverters has been used in this project with the RS-485 communication technology. Next. So these are the now all the previous installation are of the Indian installation, and now this is all the global project that we achieved or that we completed. On the left side, first image, energy storage is powerful instrument or tool for the sustained development of the new energy market. First image from the left is of installation in the Zimbabwe, having an installation of 6 kilowatt hybrid inverters. Hybrid inverters store surplus power in the batteries for later use. It is being very retrofitted instrument, and it is very much a populated project at the first time in the Zimbabwe. And the middle image of the Sofar Solar inverter installed in the agriculture field, efficient and stable inverter can help the farmers to improve their economic benefit. And the last right side image as a installation in the Australia, Sydney, where the 20 to 33 kilowatt G2 inverter has been used on the commercial power station project. Next. So now for the better and prompts, these are the some images of the reference images of the installation of the carport, where the mostly all the panels are installed on the carport, and all the instruments are placed. A very innovative kind of project by the EPC company in the Australia, in which there is a 5 to 6 kilowatt inverters are majorly used in this project, and some of the agricultural and commercial projects in the global. Next. after all this data, still question is that why to choose SOFAR Solar? So here there are the summary points which attract the client to choose the SOFAR Solar. We are SOFAR Solar is the top 3 on-grid inverter for the residential market in the China. Top 5 string inverter manufacturing in the China. We have a range of 1 kilowatt to 70 kilowatt and upcoming 80 to 136 and 225 kilowatt for the residential to commercial and utility projects. Also, we have a wider MPPT range, external inductor design, especially to lower the temperature. Also, we have all types of inverter having a leakage current detection. There is the ground fault indication on each inverter having a separate indication, as well as the buzzer audible sound whenever there is a ground fault indication is there. Also, we are providing the local data is being recorded for the 25 years in the SD card. There is a SD card is available in the 3-phase inverters, also in the single-phase inverters after the 6 kilowatt, which will store your data, whether it is connected to Wi-Fi or GPRS. It is not connect with that. It will continuously take your all the data whenever project is started. So also we have inverters having the anti-corrosion and anti-rust protection. Also we have all IC certificates and also BIS certificate. This is the major part in the current time as well as the future time. We have all BIS certificates under the process, and majorly we already have the BIS certification of 1 to 12 kilowatt or 12 kilowatt inverters in the single phase and 3-phase. So these are the main parameter why to choose the SOFAR Solar. Next. These are the some of the achievements we get in the last year. We awarded with the top 10 in most innovative inverter enterprise and most influential enterprise in the China. The middle one is the also in India, we achieved the Inverter Company of the Year in 2019 by the EQ. And also at the right side, last right side image, which is a best solar inverter company in the state in 2019 by the Solar Quarter. So these are all the achievements of the SOFAR Solar. Next. So now for the Indian market, we are providing the new attractive warranty policy. We are providing the 8 years of warranty policy for the Indian market. So this is the new 8 years warranty. Before that, we are normally provide the 5 years, maximum 6 or 7 years. But for the now onwards, we are providing the 8 years of standard warranty for the string inverters. Next. So this is all from my side. So in this corona condition, please stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hardik ji. Thank you so much. That was a very insightful and wonderful presentation. I hope everyone would have been mighty impressed by SOFAR Solar and its offerings to the Indian markets, and basically the entire package of hybrid inverters and hybrid batteries, and as far as grid inverters also. I have some questions in the chats which I would like to ask Abhinav ji or Brijesh ji. Brijesh ji, if you can hear me. Brijesh ji.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Mr. Brijesh.
I'm here.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, hi. Hi.
So we have a question from Mr. Akik. He's asking, what is the O&M mechanism in India?
O&M mechanism in terms of?
As an after-sale service of inverters.
Okay. Okay. After sales and service, like we have we have one setup in Ahmedabad. Like we have one warehouse, like nearby 2,500 square feet warehouse. So we have one setup on the service level support. So repairing, like in our Ahmedabad office, so we are like some unit repairable, so we are repairing, and also some units if you are coming on in terms of the replacement, so we are giving on replacement. but like we have the completely designing and we can say repairing level support here.
Okay, great. Let me go through the questions
We are
again.
offering 8 years warranty and completely replacement warranty. So maximum within maximum within 48 to 72 hours. We are confirming like whatever like is replacement coming or not. Very prompt response in terms of the replacement.
That's great. Also, I have a question for Mr. Abhinav. Uh, is the IB Solar and Sofar Solar Corporation also being incorporated in the African market? This question is asked by Mr. Andreas.
Yeah, sorry, I missed the question. I was busy unmuting myself. Yeah, please.
The question is by Mr. Andreas is asking, will the IB Solar and Sofar Solar Corporation be also incorporated in the African market?
Sure, sir.
Yes,
With your valuable
yes.
help, we will take our partnerships to the international level. So it's a marriage. People are. I have received many messages. People are complimenting me that it's IB Solar, Sofar Solar marriage. So, Brijesh ji, if you allow me, we will take our marriage to the international level, Africa level.
Of course.
Ji. So, Mr. Andreas, thank you. I can see some visitors from overseas also. Mr. Linus is also there. And so, first of all, welcome you all that my international friends have also joined. And yes, Mr. Andreas, we will definitely service you and support you across the borders.
Thank you, Abhinavji, for that wonderful answer. Also, I have a question for, I think, Mr. Bijeshji only. Then he's asking, what is the warranty for hybrid inverters?
5 years.
5 years. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. And also, if question is,
So as of now, we are offering 5 years, but depends on the market flow and market expectation or the for the hybrid inverter. So we will come very soon with 7 years warranty. But as of now, we are offering 5 years.
Brijesh ji, if I'm not mistaken, I think we are the only inverter company in India who is offering 8 years warranty.
Yes, for 8 years we are only in 8 years, like because some of the or like our partner friends like as a company, so they're also offering 10 years warranty. But in 8 years only, like so far is offering 8 years warranty with replacement terms within 48 to 72 hours. So very prompt response in terms
So
of
at least in
replacement.
मैं देखता हूँ काफी हमारे भाई लोग यहाँ पे नॉर्थ इंडिया से हैं, पंजाब यूपी से, तो हमें क्या हमको विद इन क्विक टाइम हम सर्विस का एश्योरेंस दे सकते हैं ना?
यस सर.
जी जी.
विजय जी, जो क्वेश्चंस मैं यहाँ पे काफी देख रहा हूँ, सबसे प्रीडोमिनेंट क्वेश्चन ये है कि प्राइसिंग कैसा है इस कंपैरिजन टू अदर इन्वर्टर्स?
प्राइसिंग सर तो लाइक काफी competitive है, काफी competitive है, और depends on the quality. Like we are not compromising in the quality. Prices will be compromised like plus or minus, but we cannot compromise in quality.
विजय जी, आप लोग वीडियो ऑन करेंगे, लोग आपको देखना चाहते हैं. Everybody wants to see you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So prices, yeah. So we are not compromise in quality. So like if like आज हर कोई जानता है अगर क्वालिटी आएगी तो प्राइसेस तो थोड़ा प्लस में जाएगा ही. Otherwise we cannot.
अविरल जी, जो आपको the people who are texting you about the prices and all, please assure them that we will support them with very aggressive pricing.
Yes, obviously. I just wanted them to hear from Mr. Brijesh directly.
Yes, we can.
And also, whoever is commenting for dealer and distributor inquiries, we have given our email IDs. Also, we'll be sharing email IDs presentation ke baad. So you can obviously contact us, our marketing team, regarding any dealer distributor inquiries if you're interested.
Sure.
And जो क्वेश्चन अभी है, शेल्फ लाइफ क्या है इन्वर्टर की, विजय जी?
Sorry.
shelf life of inverter?
नियर बाय 12 years, क्योंकि सर एक कंपोनेंट की एक एज रहती है, तो नॉर्मली एनी इन्वर्टर 10 to 12 years डिजाइन लाइफ रहती है इन्वर्टर्स की। बाकी फिर जो कंपोनेंट की भी एक एज रहती है, कुछ कंपोनेंट की 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, सो लाइक नॉर्मली वी कैन से 10 to 12 years इन्वर्टर की लाइफ रहती है।
Okay,
देन
that's great.
So rest of the questions, Aviral ji, can be emailed also. I think we should conclude here now. What do you say?
Yes, if anyone would like to comment anything. Last question है सर, एक दो मैं पूछ लेता हूँ। एक एज इन लोग जनरल क्वेश्चन है कि माइक्रो इन्वर्टर्स बेटर हैं या स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर्स बेटर हैं?
थिंक सर स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर, आई थिंक एज लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर, क्योंकि अभी लाइक फॉर द पर्टिकुलर इंडियन मार्केट माइक्रो इन्वर्टर का इतना डिमांड नहीं है, क्योंकि माइक्रो इन्वर्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट आई थिंक 2012-13 से चल ही रहा है, लेकिन इतना इतना सक्सेस नहीं हो पाया लाइक लास्ट 6 to 7 years में, जितना स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर और सेंट्रल इन्वर्टर का मार्केट इंडियन मार्केट में जैसे एक्सेप्ट किया हुआ है। माइक्रो इन्वर्टर का मेनली मार्केट यूरोप कंट्री और लाइक यूएस कंट्री में काफी उसका डिमांड है, इंडियन में काफी कम एज कम्पेयर टू लाइक स्ट्रिंग और सेंट्रल इन्वर्टर। तो आई कैन से लाइक नॉर्मली ना के बराबर ही है, इतना कुछ खास ज्यादा लाइक स्कोप नहीं है, क्योंकि थोड़ा कॉस्टली भी है और
आई थिंक माइक्रो इन्वर्टर्स कॉस्टली भी बहुत ज्यादा है। हर एक
हाँ,
पैनल
yes.
के पीछे एक इन्वर्टर लगता है, उतना आई थिंक स्मॉलर रेंज के लिए 3-5-10 किलोवाट के लिए ठीक है, उससे ऊपर आई थिंक
Right.
स्ट्रिंग इन्वर्टर्स इज
नहीं, नहीं.
Sir, I wanted to say
lucrative.
something. Hello?
Yes sir.
Yeah, can I please? Hi, Mr. Aviral. Excellent presentation and work by you. Obviously, under the guidance of your very honored Mr. Mahajan ji, as well as awards he has received over the years. That's the biggest achievement itself. And without doubt, Mr. Abhinav Mahajan with his dynamic approach to growing the business manifold. Sir, I would just like to tell you that I would appreciate your work where I have installed IB solar panels to generate power at my unit in Noida. Very happy with the power generation from your panels, clearly supporting the quality of the product, as you mentioned in your presentation, that it's of utmost priority to IB Solar. Definitely better and way above that of your competitors. Just wanted to say, keep up the good work, sir. I'm sure IB Solar has a bright future ahead, long way to go. Also, best of luck for your collaboration with SOFA.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much sir.
Thank you so much, Gaurav ji, for your wonderful words and valuable support, sir.
Thank you sir, thank you so much. I think I have no more questions to ask. Thanks everyone for attending this webinar. We'll be this is our first webinar, so sorry for any technical difficulties or glitches if we had. We'll be having this webinar series every week, and next week we'll also be doing a webinar with one of our other valuable partners. Thanks everyone for your valuable time. Hope everyone is safe at home. Everyone stay at home, be safe, be healthy, take care of your family, and till then, see you, bye, and go solar with IB Solar and SOFA Solar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so much.
Thank you everyone for attending and giving us valuable support. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.